in the place, in your face. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook. Back at you with another bomb recipe. You want to make some fried chicken wings? The best fried chicken wings? Holla at your boy, cause I got you. I got you. Fried chicken wings, baby. Let's get it. Yeah. My wings washed, pat dry, and cut. I buy the wings with the tip on them, a little cheaper. Then I just cut them myself and make drumettes. Let's go ahead and throw our seasoning in here and just throw it all over. And we just gonna mix them on up in a minute. And no worries, I will put the ingredients and the measurements in the description. Let's just get our wings mixed, coated, well seasoned, so we got that flavor for the chicken wings. There we go. Yeah, that flavor in there. We got that flavor in there. So flour mix, I made up some seasoned flour mix I made up. And I will also leave that in the description as well. You leave a little air in your bag. That way it's easier to shake. A little air in your bag. I'm gonna drop these boys in that hot oil. So we're just gonna make sure we shake off any excess. Just gonna lay them boys on down. And just let them cook on off. And I'm gonna show you what them boys look like when they get done. Let's give these boys a flip. See where we at, what we're looking like. Ooh, there it is right there, baby. There it is right there. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and get our chicken all out of here. We all done, baby. Look at that. Yeah. Time for the drumettes. Like I said, better and cheaper than me. Now let's let these boys cook on down. Now let's go ahead and give our drumettes a flip. Like that. Yeah. All right, our drumettes are done. Let's get these boys out too. Look at that. Go ahead and get this last one out. And all we gotta do is plate these boys. We are all done. And when it's all said and done, we are finished with our fried chicken wings. Look at that. Fried chicken wings, baby. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. That Boy Can Cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time. I'm gone. But not before I get another bite of this chicken. It's it right there, baby.